To ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up revalving a set of forks from a 2019 Kawasaki KX450. We have the forks that were revalved here on the table, and then in between the two forks are the internals from a Kawasaki SR, but very similar internals, but this way we can show you guys the upgrades that were done to the insides of these forks. These forks were revalved to the JBI suspension motocross spec, and we call it the Pro Fork spec because we change out a few hardware components as well during the revalve process compared to our standard revalve. What that entails is changing out the subvalve, that is this red piece seen here for the JBI suspension unit. The JBI volume spacer is included, along with the JBI Pro Perch for improved bottoming. The mid valve was updated to the leaf spring style. And one rate firmer springs were added to the build of the fork to match the weight of the rider. This kit is also available as a DIY kit, so something you can buy from us and install it yourself. You tell us what bike you have, how you ride, and we're going to custom build you a setting that you can then install into your own forks without having to ship it to us. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.